Hello everybody, how are you? Today we'll complete the questions about dynamica from Master book. Look at with me about this question. Is the time needed to stop a body of mass in moving with velocity v by force if is 4 seconds, then the time needed to stop a body of mass 2m and moving with velocity v by the same force if equals space seconds. He asked about the second time. We know velocity equal f multiplication by t and equal m multiplication v dash subtracted by v. We want to find t dash here. We want to find t dash. We know this body here, the weight, the first body was m, mass was m. So f times t equal m multiplication by v. It's about this body. If you want using this force to stop the body, which velocity will be v and weight will be 2m. Then f multiplication by t equal mv, the first body, and second body f times t dash equal 2m. We can divide it relation number 1 by relation number 2 to find the time about t dash. This relation about velocity equal f times t equal m times v about first body, because this body was stopped. Okay, then m dash subtract by, or m times v dash subtract by v, it will be m times v. And second body, the weight will be 2m and the velocity v, the same velocity and the same force. We can divide the relation by 1 by relation by 2. The result will be 1 over 2, then 4 over t dash. We cancel f by f, therefore over t dash equal half, then t dash will be 8 seconds. Okay, then the time needed to stop a body of mass 2m moving with velocity v by the same force will be equal what? Equal 8. Choose letter C. Look at second question here. In the opposite figure, the system moved from rest when the two masses were in the same horizontal plane. Then the vertical distance between them when each of them covered a distance 20 centimeter equal. Okay, he asked about what? Asked about the vertical distance. Vertical distance about m and 2m, and he gave us this information. The system moved from rest when the two masses were in the same horizontal plane. Okay, look at here. I will draw here this ball and this weight here was here m and 2m in the same horizontal. It will be going to down here, going to down 20 centimeter. He give us the each of them covered distance 20 centimeter, each of them 20, and it will be going up from this distance to this distance. So we can find this distance here. Who can tell me the distance here? He give us this information. This angle was 30, and this angle will be 30 degree, such that this angle will be 30 degree, and this vertical will be this line segment multiplication by sine 30. This vertical equal what? This part multiplication sine 30. He give us then the vertical distance between them, each of covered distance at 20 centimeter. It's moving 20 centimeter here. This body, the weight of this body was m. It's moving up 20 centimeter and it will be going down 20 centimeter. Then we want to find the vertical here to aid them to find this distance as this distance and aid them. We know this distance equal to 20 centimeter, and this distance will be what? Will be 20 sine 30. Okay, 20 sine 30. Again, I will draw it here big. This part going up by 30, and we want to find the horizontal here. This angle was 30 and this part 20 centimeter. So we have right angle triangle. This side opposite 30. Opposite about this angle, this will be 20 sine 30. It's the height. This height and this height was 20 centimeter. We will aid them to find what? To find the vertical distance between them. We must add 20 sine 30 plus 20 centimeter. Sine 30 equal half. Half times 20 equal 10. 10 plus 20 equal 30 centimeter. Then the distance will be 30 centimeter between two weight. We must choose will be 30 centimeter. Choose letter C. 10 plus 20 equals 30. Again, this part 20 centimeter, and this part the vertical here 20 sine 30. 20 plus 20 sine 30 equal 30 centimeter. Choose letter C. Look at this question. A body of mass 2 kg moves in a straight line and its position. A vector is given by the relation x vector equal t power 3 plus 1 in direction I plus t power 2 minus t in direction j. Then the momentum after 2 seconds equal what we know. Momentum equal m multiplication by v. Momentum. So we must find the velocity. We can find the velocity by derivative by displacement. He give us x here equal t power 3 plus 1. We can find derivative here. It will be 3t power 2. And derivative about t power 2 minus t equal 2t minus 1. Okay. And the weight was 2 kilogram. Right here 2. Multiplication by 3t power 2 and 2t minus 1. The result will be momentum equal 2 times 3 equals 6. It will be 6t power 2, and it will be 4t minus 2. At t equal what? Give us after 2 seconds. T equal 2 seconds. This is the momentum equal 6 times 4 equal 24, and 2 times 4 8 minus 2 equal 6. It will be 24 and 6. 24 in direction I, and 6 in direction J. Choose letter C. Okay, understood. So in this example, if you want to find the momentum equal m multiplication by v. It will be derivative about what? About displacement 3t power 2 and 2t minus 1. And then you can write here m multiplication by v give us the weight here was 2 kilograms. The result will be 60 power 2 and 40 minus 2, and then at 2 equal 2 seconds the result will be letter C.